The low FL or FL low error on your Maytag washer indicates low water flow. This means the washer isn't receiving enough water during the fill cycle, typically less than 0.3.5 gallons per minute. This triggers a safety mechanism, halting the wash cycle to prevent damage. This is common in models from the Bravos XL, Centennial, and newer Infinity series, released between 2010 and 2025. Several factors can cause the LOFL error in Maytag washers. The most common culprit, responsible for about 65% of cases according to Maytag data, is clogged inlet screens that block water flow. Low water pressure in your home, below 20 psi or 1.4 bars, is another frequent cause. This prevents the washer from achieving the required flow rate for proper operation. Kinked or damaged water hoses can restrict flow. Check for bends, cracks, or blockages in the hot and cold supply hoses. Malfunctioning inlet valves can fail to open properly or develop solenoid issues, leading to insufficient water intake. Less frequent causes include a faulty flow meter that inaccurately measures water intake, control board issues that misinterpret signals, or sediment buildup in the water lines that restricts flow. Before you start, always unplug your washer for safety. First, check the inlet screens, located where the water hoses connect to the washer. Disconnect the hoses and inspect the screens for debris. If clogged, clean them thoroughly with a mixture of vinegar and water. Next, visually inspect the hoses for any kinks or damage that could restrict water flow. Low water pressure is a frequent cause of the LOFL error. This occurs when household pressure falls below what the washer needs to fill properly. You can check your home's water pressure using a pressure gauge connected to an outside faucet. Simply attach the gauge to the faucet and turn on the water to get a reading. The washer requires between 20 and 120 psi to function correctly. If your reading is below 20 psi, the washer won't fill properly and may trigger the LOFL error. If your pressure is too low, consider contacting a plumber or installing a booster pump. A booster pump can increase pressure to meet the washer's requirements and prevent future low FL errors. Always ensure proper installation to avoid leaks or electrical hazards. Low pressure can sometimes indicate plumbing issues that need professional attention. For newer Maytag models from 2023 to 2025, check for available firmware updates through the Maytag Smart Appliance app. These updates may include fixes for flow-related issues and provide predictive diagnostics. Also consider running a remote diagnostic check via the app to verify water pressure sensors. To prevent future low FL errors, clean the inlet screens at least annually, especially if you live in an area with hard water. Use a vinegar solution to dissolve mineral deposits and rinse thoroughly. Installing a whole house water softener can help prevent mineral buildup that causes blockages in the inlet screens and hoses. Regularly inspect your hoses for signs of wear and tear, such as cracks or bulges, and replace them every 5 to 7 years to maintain proper water flow. If you've exhausted the basic troubleshooting steps and the LOFL error continues to appear, it's essential to contact a qualified appliance repair technician. Persistent issues often point to more complex problems that require expert diagnosis. These could involve the flow meter, which measures water intake, the control board that manages all washer functions, or internal plumbing connections. Attempting to fix these yourself might void your warranty and pose safety risks. Professional technicians have the tools and expertise to properly diagnose and repair these components while maintaining your manufacturer's warranty. They can also identify potential safety hazards that might lead to leaks or electrical issues. What to expect? Technicians will perform advanced diagnostics, often using specialized equipment. Costs typically range from $150 to $300 for diagnosis and repair. Before the visit, have your washer's model number, serial number, and purchase date ready to help the technician provide accurate service. Remember, addressing the low FL error promptly with professional help prevents minor issues from becoming major repairs or even requiring a full washer replacement. Your safety and the longevity of your appliance depend on timely action.